Ready, go! All right, today we're going to bring a GoPro harness. Now, I really like this harness. I actually stretched it out. It fits me perfect. I'm about 250-pound guy, heavy duty stock, and I had no issues whatsoever setting this up. Setting it up and stretching it out as much as I can. It was perfect. I like this part where you actually just push the actual button and it comes up, and you could just strap it like putting on a dress shirt pretty much. And it's very simple, very convenient, and you just lock it in place. Now, what I like about it, it came with the actual attachment so you can move the actual camera up and in front. It's a GoPro 9. Of course, it has its own stand in the bottom, but it's compatible with every single GoPro. Not only GoPro, I actually have an instant camera that I can buy an attachment for a GoPro and was setting it up too. Very simple to walk with it. Now, the stabilization is a lot better than before. I used to have one that used to go up and down. Now, we tested it out. We gave it to somebody to go in a little playground and run around and jump around and see the footage of it. So, very simple, easy to use. I hope you guys enjoy the video. All right, so this is the brace. This is how we're going to put it on right now. We're going to go ahead and set it up. So let's go ahead and do that. That's how simple it is. And now we're gonna film from here.
The turtles think you're gonna feed them. So do the ducks. Dumb ducks.
Big ducks.
Huh?
They're big ducks.
You big fluffy ducks.
They're cute, huh, the babies?
If they bully the turtles, I'm going in there.
Imagine they killed a fish. Look at that one. Look at having fun. He's swimming under and stuff. The turtle.